Good morning. We're on the British pound US dollar using Proteus Ultra again today. Looking at the time frames, we're looking at continuation towards the long side. The long-term M30 onwards are long. M1 has just turned long, and the leading indicator on the right-hand side has also just turned long, indicating a future fairly high probability long movement. So we're going to go over to the GBP USD. It is currently 10:47. Choose roughly 30 minutes. 11:15, just under 30 minutes. High trade here for $1,000 invested and 85% payout. Once we're into the trade, just going to open up the chart here shortly as soon as the trade's in. Let's open up that chart and zoom in for a more clear view. We're just in. The price is just a micro pip or so under entry at the moment. We have roughly 30 minutes to go for this trade to expire. So once we are reaching expiry, we will come back to you just before that event and see how this trade has panned out. All right, back again. Roughly 25 seconds remaining to this British pound US dollar trade expiring here at 11:15. As you can see, the trade has broken out into the money, found a lot of support at that entry point as was projected in advance by Proteus Ultra. The beautiful thing about Proteus Ultra is that not only do you have 7 time frames used for multi-time frame analysis, you have a very robust leading indicator on the right-hand side leading the way and telling you exactly when the highest probability entry points are due to surface. So you may have the multi-time frame view for you available at the time, but if the leading indicator on the right hand side is not in agreement with that multi-time frame view, it's best to stay out. The leading indicator on the right hand side, when it goes in the direction of the multi-time frame consensus, is when the highest probability opportunities surface when using Proteus Ultra, which is how you can secure fairly high probability entry points, as we did in this particular instance on the GBP USD. The trade is just waiting for the platform to calculate expiry here. Once that does happen, we will net an $850 return. With a gross return of 1,850 based on an investment of 1,000 USD on this trade. A high trade taken using Proteus Ultra as the leading suite of indicators. You have the multiple time frame confluence metrics at the top, allowing you to gauge when is the best time to engage in which side of the market, long or short. Then you have the leading indicator on the right hand side that confirms when the best entry points are available in terms of probability. So you don't just enter willy-nilly into the trade based on what multi-time frame confluence is saying. You wait for the most high probability opportunity that is indicated by the leading indicator on the right hand side, and doing that consistently over time allows for the highest probability opportunities to be capitalized on using Proteus Ultra. Thank you.